Hi friends, I am Amala. Today I will tell you how to do 3 easy mathematical sums. As your friend, you can also learn with me. If you are ready, let's start. The first question is, Harry had 500 coins in a jar. He sorted the coins into 25 different stacks. Each stack had same number of coins. How many coins in each stack? To solve problems like this, I will give you an example before doing this question. There are 10 chocolates. I have 10 chocolates. I need to divide into 5. I need to give it in 5 friends. How many chocolates will each friend get? To do questions like this, we need to divide. When we divide, how many chocolates I am having? 10. So we need to put 10. And how many friends I need to give? 5. So we need to put 5 here. In 5 tables, 10 will come in second time. So I put 2 as the quotient. When I minus 10, I got the remainder as 0. And 2 is the quotient. The quotient will be the answer. So each friend will get 2 chocolates. Now we will go to the question. Harry had 500 coins. So we need to put 500 here. And we need to divide into 25. So out of 25. When we in 25 table 500 will come in very more time. So I have taken second time 50. I have put the question to 0, 0, and here also 1 0. So we should put quotient 0. So we got the answer as 20. Harry will put 20 coins in each jar. So answer is B, 20. The next question is, there are 940 students enrolled in elementary school. Enrolled means added. Middle school has 276 fewer students than elementary school. Fewer means lesser students than the elementary school. When we get the problem like this, we need to find the clue first. The clue is fewer students than the elementary school. Fewer means we need to subtract. What number we have to subtract with? The number we have to subtract is 914 with 276. Now we will subtract. There are 638 students in the middle school. The last question is, Tom left home at 7:15 a.m. to go for work. He returned home at 4:45 p.m. For how long Tom was away from home? Tom started to go to office at left home at 7:15 a.m. and 11:15, 12:15, 1:15, 2:15, 3:15 and 4:15 is the nearest number. So I got 9 hours. And there is remaining, but I got the nearest number at 4:15. But he reached home at 4:45. Now we need to subtract 45 minus 15. 0, 3. So 9 hours and then 30. So Tom left home at 7:15 and came at 4:45 p.m. The hour he didn't come to home was 9 hours and 30 minutes. This is the answer. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye.